Bonsoir tout le monde. Alors, nous en mode festif, d'accord? Ok. Jodi, chef Ingrid passe dans le là pour le présenter au plat griot. Alors, griot, comme tout le monde connaît, griot. Alors, on présente griot différemment, d'accord? Ou bien banane pesée, ou bien pickles là, ou bien viande cochon, et puis ou bien une patate frite. Chef Ingrid Alliance. Hello everyone. Hello. This is the griot my way. Griot is an Asian street food, but I want to elevate Asian dishes. Okay? So you have the fried sweet potatoes here. It's a Caribbean thing. And then you have the pork shoulder after being braised, I slightly fry it. Okay, it's right here. You have the fried plantain. In Haiti, they call it banane pesée. And then you have the pickles, which is a spicy pickling coleslaw. Okay, so I'm presenting Asian street food in an other level. That's what I want. So that's, yes, that's the griot. And I garnish it with fried parsley. All right. So have fun, guys.